What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Welcome down to the G pit. Must been approximately 5 weeks since the last session here in Sweden for me. Dust anyone. So I got the all new Traxxas MAXX Slash bone stock. Besides, I added some sway bars on it. I said the last time I was driving this car I'm gonna start tuning the diffs, but you know, don't wanna go in that work. Yeah, it's gonna be dirty AF, that's for sure, but I don't care. Okay. Well, still need to fix those tires. No, not the tires only, but the diffs. I'm definitely not going to run in the big puddle over there because the speed is way too low. Yeah, I think it's handled better. Even if it's sliding around, it's much easier to control, less body roll. And suspension wise, it's oh, it is so dirty. That's the way it is. It's gonna take years to clean this one, but I love to drive this car. I really enjoy it. I'm not gonna do some crazy shit with it, sorry for that word, but you know, adding some, I don't know what I'm talking about. I mean, this one need more speed. Ooh. Should we try it? No, I don't think so, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, so we have a car over there. I think that's it, guys. Yeah. Deep cleaning this. Okay, so we have some stones. No. Jesus. Yeah, definitely was a lot easier to handle with the swaybar. Still need to adjust the shock oil, that's for sure. Sorry. Lipos. See how long they will survive here. Anyway, that's a bone stock car that you see here. Only thing I added was a sway bar front rear. Haven't touched the shocks, nothing, but that's a must. This is the 4th or 5th time I'm using the car, and I'm saying it every single time. The pack, the viscosity of the shocks are way too hard for this surface, and the diffs, I mean, in that one, which are the same car but with other goodies on, it's 100% tuned. So I'm running, just for comparison, I think it's 20 mil in the mid, 100k front rear, I don't know, 60k front, 60k mid, and 10k rear, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Or if it was, yeah, I think it was 60. I need to check that out. I'm gonna put a in the description. So this one is so much easier to control than that one, but with the sway bar, different animal.